of the products have high. In today's video, आप अभी कुरकुरे वो खा लो. एक मैं आपको चॉकलेट देती हूँ. Have a high price on. It literally takes 1 hour shooting 5 minutes of content with Rio. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha. In today's video, I would like to share my top 5 recommendations for you and all under 500. 500 is not their exact price. Actually, I was scrolling out the makeup websites and I got to know that some of my favorite products are on sale. And some of the companies have reduced the price of those products. I don't know why, but they are my favorite and I would definitely recommend them to you. And I will show you why are they my favorite, because right now I have applied all the products on my face, very tiniest amount, and it showed me the beautiful result on my face. I'm really excited to share those products with you. And all the 5 products are available on Nykaa. If any of the product would not be on Nykaa, that would be definitely on the Amazon. You can check it out. So let's start with the video. But before starting the video, I would like to say that I'm a small content creator. I'm a person who create content related to makeup, skincare and DIYs. Sometimes मैं कुछ ऐसा भी शेयर कर देती हूँ जो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहिए. And if you would like my video, please don't hesitate to subscribe my channel and also please like it. It will make my day. So without wasting your time, let's dive into the video. This is the first product which I really want to recommend you. This is Act Organics Beetroot Lip and Cheek Tint. Trust me, this is really beautiful product. Even you can apply it in the summer as well. I mix a little bit of concealer in it so that it can stay on my cheeks for a long time, and it provides you within type of flush. It is really beautiful lip and cheek tint. I apply it on daily basis and it is still full. I really recommend this product. It is organic product. One should definitely try this one. It's under $4.99. My next recommendation is Makeup Revolution Concealer. I use this C4 shade number. I use it for actually highlighting my face. It is full coverage concealer and it is self-settling concealer. I don't know why the company has dropped the price of these concealers, but they are really amazing. They are worth every penny. You should definitely check them out, and it stays for really long time and it is suitable to all skin types. You will not regret buying this product. Look at this. It has a slightest pink undertone because it is for the fair skin people. आजकल तो trend भी है pink undertone powder लगाने का, तो why not try this highlighting concealer? If you want to have self-settling and full coverage concealer in this summer, you can definitely check this out. But you can check out their other shades as well. They are all good, all very good. The next product which I would really like to share with you is this palette. This eyebrow palette is a go-to product. मैं इसको कब से यूज कर रही हूँ. लुक, ये अभी भी उतने का उतना ही है. मुझे लगता है कि ये खत्म ही नहीं होता है कि लाइक. और आई रियली लाइक इट्स ब्रश. इट इज सो प्रिसाइज. लुक एट इट्स टिप. It is so precise and its brush is also really good. It does have this chotu sa plucker along with it, and it does its jobs really well. Its gel is quite fine. बहुत ज़्यादा वो नहीं है. Sticky नहीं है. It is a really good wax, but it has finished because I have used all the product. But if I talk about the powders, it stays really nice and I think it's a go-to product and you should definitely check this out. I do have the Swiss Beauty one that is bit powdery, but that is also very good. But if I would like to pick any one, I would definitely go for this Wet n Wild eyebrow palette. एक बार इन्वेस्ट कर लोगे इसके ऊपर ना, तो आपको कम से कम 2-3 साल के लिए कुछ लेना नहीं पड़ेगा. एंड इट्स शेल्फ लाइफ इज आल्सो ऑफ 3 years. मैंने इसको 2022 में लिया है. All the links I will provide in the description box. Don't worry about that. It is also on sale on Nykaa. You can definitely check this out and amazing product. एक बार ही ले रहा है इसका कलर, उसी से सारा आईब्रो इसका फिल हो जाता है. इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है ये. अगर आप 500 के अंडर किसी प्रोडक्ट में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हो, देन चेक दिस आउट. Good one. The fourth product, which is really good among all, this is my favorite product. It's Pigment Play Pigment. The shade is Goddess. Yes, the shade is Goddess Glow. And its shelf life is of 3 years. अब ये बड़ा 1.5 साल के लिए आराम से बड़ा है. 1.5 से भी ज़्यादा साल के लिए 2024 में एक्सपायर होगा ये, और वो भी एंड के मंथ में. So this is a Goddess Glow. I think they have almost 10 to 12 shades in this pigments, but this is the most beautiful shade. Trust me, this is the most beautiful shade. Look at this. ये मैंने आंखों के ऊपर अप्लाई किया ना. Look, ये मेरे हाथों पे भी नहीं आ रहा. I don't know what is the formulation of this product. I'm literally applying from the ढक्कन of this bottle and it is all over my eyes. मेरे को इसको उठाना भी नहीं पड़ता. It is so much pigmented. It has very long stay. ये कहीं नहीं जाएगा, ये गर्मियों में भी कहीं नहीं जाएगा. Beautiful pigment. If you want to try any pigment under 500 rupees, definitely check this out. You will not regret it. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. Let me show you the inner pigment. This is a pigment, very beautiful pigment. त्रियो वो फोकस हटा रहा है बेटा. Oh wow, very beautiful pigment. Definitely invest in this pigment. बहुत क्यूट है. I mostly use this pigment on all my clients and all liked it very much. This is really beautiful, very beautiful. The last product which I really want to share with you is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. The shade is Artist. Yes, 120 Artist. I think this is the lipstick shade which you can apply even without makeup. I haven't applied lots of makeup on my face. This is very neutral kind of makeup I have done right now. I didn't apply any foundation, just concealed my eyes, have some of the blush, eyebrows, and this is the only lipstick which I have applied on my lips. And trust me, ये बहुत प्यारा shade है. You can even apply it without makeup and you're good to go. अगर आपको बिल्कुल मन नहीं है कुछ apply करने का ना, just apply this shade. It is very beautiful shade, very beautiful shade. It is very pigmented. It has long stay. अभी ऐसा लगेगा कि कितना glossy सा है, but it is matte. It is totally matte and very beautiful shade. I really thank Maybelline for sending me this color. I really liked it and I really highly recommend this shade to you. This is not at all sponsored. I'm just recommended it with my own choice. I think ये 5-10 रुपए ऊपर है, but it can be considered under 500 rupees. आप इसको एक बार चेकआउट जरूर कीजिए. और इसका सबसे अच्छा जो मुझे पार्ट लगता है that is the applicator. ये इतना अच्छा एप्लीकेटर है कि इतनी स्मूथली से आपका जो लिप कलर है वो अप्लाई हो जाता है एंड ये कॉर्नर्स को इतने अच्छे तरीके से प्रिसाइजली शेप कर देता है एंड इट हैज़ वेरी लॉन्ग स्टे. आई हाईली रिकमेंड दिस lipstick, particular lipstick of Maybelline Artist 120 shade number. These were my recommendations under 500 rupees, and if you liked my recommendation, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Don't hesitate. And I'll meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.